He practiced night and day and he's Hampton, no tyrant. Trophy at Mass States, competed in Rhode Island. A to Z and yo-yo, buying all colorways of the purple and green throws. He loves to help a lot, friends can always call him. He loves his one drops, code to the Sovereign, Cascade, Caribou Lodge, and he wants that avalanche and comeback. He's loving the Hulk smash, he knows what he like, he won't use anything, likes the best things in life, brand new kitty string, buying throws, he's in heaven when he can afford him. MJ Rose 77 on the yo-yo forum, he likes his wood throws, like we all do. Old days are good, no jives, and Tom Coon plays his guitar, rock star in the evening. Ford Fusion's his car, always there when you need him. He knows the whole scene and he stays in the know. He'll throw his one drops in his general, yo. Caribou Lodge release, and you know that he wants that. Purple green is sweet, and he's loving the Hulk smash. Purple green, sometimes gold in his case. New throws come along, old throws are replaced. As sure as he has to throw, you have to know the facts are so, yo. His name is Matt Giroux, and he's a natural. He don't care for plastic throws, but he'll throw a yo-yo jam classic, though. You heard me say that. It's time to lay tracks, listen to the guitar. Now it's time to play, Matt.